ClickUp versus Notion versus Trello. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is a full-featured productivity suite with tasks, docs, goals and dashboards, and automation. It's great for teams and power users. It offers powerful task features, views, and automations. It also scales well for teams and large projects. It has time tracking and the goals and more all in one platform. And lastly, it is customizable with the hierarchies and permissions. The problem is though, it has a steeper learning curve and the interface can feel cluttered and its performance is slower on large workplace. The next we have is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that blends notes, tasks, and databases into a flexible system, perfect for creators and thinkers. It offers a lot of features, including an option flexible with pages, databases, and templates. It's also great for combining tasks with wikis and notes. It also has a clean and minimalist design, and it has an active community and templates galore. The problem is though, it has a weak built-in reminders and the project tracking tools, and the offline access still isn't perfect. Then lastly we have is Trello. Trello is a simple card-based Kanban board tool, ideal for visual thinkers and small teams. It offers super easy to use drag and drop with simplicity. It also has a visual Kanban system, which is intuitive. It's great for small teams or personal projects. It has a lot of power-ups and integrations, but the problem is it lacks depth for complex workflows. There are no built-in document or databases features, and it gets scattered fast with large projects. So choose ClickUp if you want a powerful all-in-one tool for task and team management, and choose Notion if you want maximum flexibility and like to blend in tasks with docs and wikis, and use Trello if you want a simple visual board for small scale or personal projects.